And welcome to the first talk workshop demo of Bralapalooza 2022. That is my festival of bras here at Studio Divina during the next 2 months. In this talk, I'm going to be sharing my insights and my experience and knowledge about buying the best bra for your next belly dance costumes. I'll be going over how they are put together, what all the technical terms are for the parts and pieces, and explain how the engineering of underwire really works and how that impacts fitting, how you can buy the best bra not only for your body but for your style of costuming. And I'll even demystify the Dina bra. There are many bras to choose from, and so the bulk of our talk is going to be talking about the basics of buying a lingerie bra to change into a belly dance costume. So come and join me on Thursday night, April 28th at 7 p.m. Pacific for picking the right bra base for you. I'll see you there. Find me on Patreon.